Hey, what's up guys? I'm here. I'm back with our new product, Chanter Vocal, and it's basically a microphone for streamers or you want to do a live broadcast. And without any further ado, let's check it out. So let's see what's inside. So we have a user manual, plugs, the mic of course, as you can see, the handle to hold for the microphone, USB jacks, USB plugins, and the mini tripod. So as you can see, the microphone is well built, all metal, feels solid in your hand. It doesn't give you any cheap feels and it looks substantial. So it's a handhold microphone for mobile phone, karaoke and live broadcasting, as I said. Supports both Android and iOS system. Surprise! It's a 14mm condenser. The frequency response is around 10 Hz to 20 kHz. The reference voltage is around 1.5 volt. Can be used for 5 hours if it's fully charged. So you can use a live broadcasting or you can stream like for 5 hours straight. Yeah. So let me explain a little bit of the specifications. The polar pattern is cardioid. Basically pick up what's directly in front of the microphone. Very useful for streamers and live broadcasting because you want to make sure all the audience voices or audios to be captured. These are going to be for people who are looking for high quality audio or microphone for their streaming or live broadcasting, which is to capture all the necessary sounds. So if you guys are looking for an affordable mic, this is for you. Or if you just starting up to streams or live broadcasting or even interviews, this is perfect for you. So what else is PC and phone compatible? If you are really crazy on or a fan of karaoke, this is a portable mic for you. Yeah, sing it out loud, dude. So let's try and build this tripod. Pretty cool. See, there you go. Hopefully, if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, and if you do, please hit the like button below and share the video with me. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace.